We got roasted potatoes for you. Look at that, roasted red potatoes. Oh my goodness. You have got to try this out. Nice and buttery. Woo! Get some. Hey, this is Shra Shara. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. I washed the red potatoes. That's what we're using. Little red potatoes. Now we want to cut them to a manageable size. So for one, they cook easy, they cook faster, and they're a little easier to eat. So you want them about yay big, a little over an inch. And when we roast them, they'll get roasted evenly and faster on top of that. And you won't choke people out trying to eat them. So just get these all cut up. And we're gonna parboil them for about 8 minutes. And then we're gonna put them in the oven and roast them. But I'll explain that to you here shortly. So let me cut the rest of these up. And okay, so we have our seasoned water here, which is nothing more than water and salt. You want to make sure you season your water. It's just about getting ready to boil, so now we're going to add our potatoes. Put the potatoes in here, be careful, don't splash yourself. Don't be like me, take your time. Okay, we're gonna let this boil for about 8 minutes, and then we're gonna take it off. So you can start to see the water starting to boil now. It's not a rolling boil, but it's starting to boil. Now start your timer. 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Let's check some of these for doneness. You don't want them completely mushy. Because you just parboiling them, you see. And these are still kind of tough. So we're gonna give these guys like another 5 minutes. Yeah, these are looking much better now. Yeah. So we're gonna turn this heat off. Okay, we're going to drain these, or strain these, and we're going to let them sit and steam while we get the spices. You can see from the background over here, we got our potatoes there. On this little pot here, we're going to get our seasonings together. Start off by putting a little olive oil in here, about 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup olive oil. Now I want to put a stick of butter in here. And now we're going to add some garlic to this. Probably a good tablespoon worth of garlic. Go. Now we're going to add some Italian seasonings, probably a good 2 tablespoons of that. Get that in here. And don't be scared to season. Put whatever you like in it. Now we're going to add some parsley flakes, about a tablespoon. Yeah. Now I'm going to mix this all up. Turn on low. You don't want to burn the butter. Now we're going to add some pepper. Now you got potatoes, you got to add your pepper. A little bit of salt. Mix that in. Again, put this on low. Make sure it's on low. And while you're making this, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Because that's what we're going to be roasting the potatoes at. We're going to do that for about 20 minutes. Okay, just as easy, just as simple. Our seasoning sauce is done. All right, let's take our potatoes, add them to the bowl. Put our potatoes in. Yep, still nice and hot. We're going to add our butter spice mixture. Yep, get it all around in there. Oh yeah. Okay. And we're going to toss this up. Make sure everybody gets happy and coated. And because you're going to be tossing it, that's why you didn't want to over boil it. You want it to hold its form. Now let's go ahead and add to our baking dish. Just go ahead and add your potatoes. All the seasonings. Oh yeah. Yep, waste not, want not. Give it a little shake, and everything settle. And now we're going to put this into the 425 degree oven for 20 minutes. Here. Into the center of a 425 degree oven. 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's look at this, see if we got the right color that we want. Let's see. No, I don't think so. I like for it to be a little more caramelized. See that? I like for it to be a little darker, a little darker. So you don't give it about another maybe 5-8 minutes, maybe even 10, depending. Every oven is different. Let's check it out. It smells good. See how we looking? Looks nice. Looks nice. Yeah, I think we're gonna pull it. Let's pull this. Oh yeah. Roasted potatoes. Yeah. Buttery. Nice. This looks gorgeous. You can hear the sizzle. It's still hot. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. Roasted potatoes, little red potatoes. Oh man, nice buttery. Got Italian seasonings on it, and garlic in there, olive oil, butter. Man, oh, I can't wait to jump all over this. Woo! You gotta try this recipe out.